I just want to say thanks to Empowerment for allowing the kids to come together, to be able to play, to be able to do the drumming, to be able to learn what music is about, and also to have fun. Everyone seems to enjoy it. Keandre, my grandson, my granddaughter, Zariah Cash, they all seem to enjoy the drumming. So we're thankful for what they do at Empowerment for the kids.
Empower has been an amazing pastime for our kids. Our girls have totally grown. They've blossomed. They've come out of their shell. It's been a safe space for them to be eclectic and be their true artist selves. And so we love Empower, and join us soon.